So if you've spent any time at all in the world of AI, you've definitely heard the name Hugging Face. It pops up everywhere. But what is it, really? Is it some kind of social media site, a software company? Well, today we're going to cut right through all that confusion and show you exactly why it's one of the most important places in the entire AI universe. Honestly, the simplest way to think about Hugging Face is this. It's the GitHub of AI. It's the main spot, the central hub where everybody from top-tier researchers to people like us who are just curious gathers to find, share, and just experiment with open-source AI models. And our goal today? It's simple. We're going to get you logged in and using it for the very first time. So, first things first, we've got to create an account. And the great news is it's totally free and it's incredibly fast. I mean, it genuinely takes less than 2 minutes. Let's just walk through the exact steps right now. Okay, this part is super easy. First, just head over to huggingface.co/join and click that sign up button. Now, you can use your Google or GitHub account to sign in, like instantly, or you can just use your email, old school style. After you fill out your profile details, you're going to get a verification email. Just find it, click the link inside, and that's it. You're in. You now have access to the whole platform. Okay, so you're logged in, and boom, you land on the main dashboard. And at first glance, I know, it can look a bit overwhelming. There are all these trending models and datasets everywhere. But don't worry, we're going to ignore all the noise and focus only on the essentials you need to get started. The real key here is to just ignore almost everything on that page for now. Seriously, as a beginner, all your focus should be on just 3 main tabs that you'll find right at the very top of the screen. Think of these as your gateways to everything cool on the platform. Right, here are the 3 core areas. Think of models like the App Store for AI. It's where you find thousands of pre-trained AIs for tasks like writing text or creating amazing images. Datasets, well, those are the libraries, the huge collections of information that were used to teach those models in the first place. And finally, spaces. Now, this is where the magic happens for beginners. They're interactive apps that let you try out AI models directly in your browser with absolutely no code required. And speaking of spaces, let's actually go run an AI right now. This is where you really get to see the power of the platform firsthand. No code, no complicated software downloads, just pure AI right at your fingertips. All right, this is the moment. This is where all that theory becomes practice. It's time to get that first quick win and see for yourself just how incredibly easy and powerful this whole thing can be. So here's exactly what you're going to do. Click that Spaces tab. In the search bar, type image generation and just click on one of the top results. You'll see a simple text box. Type in a prompt. Anything you can imagine, from a robot eating spaghetti to a futuristic city at sunset, and hit generate. And in just a few seconds, you've done it. You just ran a powerful open source AI model right from your browser. What you just did, that little test, it shows you how powerful and accessible this platform truly is. You see, you don't have to be some Python programmer to use cutting-edge AI. Hugging Face is just an essential resource for anyone who's even a little bit curious about the future of technology. You know, what you've learned today is basically your launchpad. You have the keys to create an account, and you have the map to start exploring with Spaces. From here on out, the journey is all yours to define. So we've covered the what, the why, and the how of Hugging Face. You've created an account, and you've already run your first AI. So really, the only question left is, what will you create, or explore, or build first? Your journey into open source AI really does start now. Have fun exploring.